guys. Hey, we are doing McDonald's today. I'm going to get you a fry there. This girl's been wanting a french fry. But let me get back. Come on up here. She can have a fry. Let me give this woman her fry. But, sorry. I have been wanting to do this because I heard about the Monopoly scandal. And also that it's Big Mac's 50 years in the making. So I got me 2 Big Macs because they're giving out gold coins that say 50 on them that you can spend for the rest of the year for a Big Mac for 50 cents. So let's see if they put the coins in. I even called the Hermosa Beach McDonald's, and he goes, oh, we'll have the coins on Monday. It is now Thursday. So, and I read on Twitter today, the coins are still going out. So, got me 1, and I got me 2. Oh, and there's no coins. Really? Really, McDonald's? You're advertising, get a coin here, sweetheart. Let me get you here, here's a french fry for you. Here, it's over here. Yeah, right there it is. I'm so mad. I'm so mad. Not that I need to buy a Big Mac for 50 cents, but if you're going to advertise it, at least say, oh, the promotion's over, no more coins. In fact, the Hermosa Beach one, when I called McDonald's, it was like August 1st. And he goes, oh, we won't have the coins till August 6th. So Trish and I went down to Orange County, and we stopped and got some iced teas, and we saw all these blue balloons and everything. We're like, oh, what's all that going on? Now, this was Saturday, before the 6th, and they're like, oh, we just had our big Mac promotion, and we gave out coins, and it's just for today only. I'm like, so you get a different answer from all your McDonald's. I'm just almost over the McDonald's thing. I'm so over it. I will keep, sorry, Pip. But anyway, I will still eat my Big Macs, but that makes me very sad. Those coins are inside. No, they're not, Pix. In fact, let me get, she loves the sesame seeds off the top of the bun. There's this 2 for you. Right here. I'm so sad. So sad. Anyway, I got my 2 Big Macs, which are good, but, oh, minus the coins. So, you know what? Call me McDonald's. Probably why your Monopoly scandal didn't work out. Pix, just eat your fry. So anyway, I got chicken nuggets for a Happy Meal. Now I get the Happy Meals because I got 2 little girls who love little toys from McDonald's. So I got 2. So I got 1. Oh, we got fries. We got fries picked. So I got a burger in the other Happy Meal. I love the ketchup though. New, it's red. How cool is that? I like that. Very, very bright. So let's see. Do you know what else they didn't give me? Okay, I gotta see that receipt. Where did I see that? What's in here? I had ordered a sausage on an English muffin, which is not in there. Oh, here's the receipt. I'm just going to have to go back. This is ridiculous. Oh, yeah. Oh, no, here it is. Oh, sorry. Just didn't get the coins. But I'd love to get some extras of these. Now, see, and it also says sausage, which is English muffin, and they put cheese on it. Wow. That makes me sad, too. But what are you going to do? Right, Pix? I'm not picky, but this was the worst of all time. So I got a Coke. Want another fry? Want a big fry? Hang on. Here, do you want a fry? Oh. Here it comes. The fry's like 4 inches long. It's bigger than you, huh? But, oh well. Not going to complain anymore. I'm going to eat because that's what I'm going to do. See what the toys are. Oh, we got Super Mario. Gosh, you would think he's outdated, but let's see what he looks like. In case you, oh, it's like, oh, that's kind of cute. It looks like a sticker thing. See? That's cute. I don't know how they come out, but I'm sure the girls will figure it out, but that is very cute. Even though they're girls. They'll play with boy stuff. Also got an orange drink and Coke. Oh, UPS man. I know you do not like UPS man. Oh, we got into the same, which is good. And the girls won't fight. Why don't you come up here with me? There you go. Okay. Now, let us eat. Wow. They're very good. I do like the modernization of their bags. Like the golden arches on the other sides on the side of the bag. Oh, why did the UPS guy have to come? Right? Well, I like how they leave on the paper on the side that you can put mail. Come here, Pix. Come here. Come here, Mimi. Oh. Come here to the Mimi. Okay. Won't be the same eating this without my gold coin to look at. It was my big thing. I was going to show you them. So good. I would have died for one of these at the emergency room the other day. They are good. Messy. I usually try it and get one, like, without sauce. Or sauce on the side. Yeah. Maybe we didn't think of that in time. And then I got orange. I don't know what they give me so big out of a kid's meal. Oh, I know she had an orange juice. She probably charged me for an orange juice that I didn't order. And so she probably gave me a larger. Something like that. It's like 90 degrees outside today. Come here, Pix. At the beach. That's like so hot. Can we come get you? It's a little white chicken. Come here, Pix. Oh, you gotta come over to me. Come on. There's your picnic over there. Right? Okay. Oh. I also asked for dipping sauce and that didn't come. Wow. I'm really bad today. My portable air conditioner is not even keeping up. It is just so hot. So hot. Anyway. Have you guys heard about the McDonald's scandal on the monopoly? Because everybody's always been saying, I've never heard of any winners, any of the big winners. Although I understand why, because they were saying Boardwalk to win Boardwalk, to get Boardwalk, there's 1 in 600 million. So I get that, but here is how it went down. And this is what I feel they should do. But listen to this. In 1989, come here, Pix. Let's see if I look quiet them. Okay. In 1989, the former police officer masterminded this monopoly scandal. Okay. He was head of security for Simon Marketing. Pixie. Yeah, no more. No more. Okay. So, okay, I'm going to have to get the Pix girl. Come on, Pix. Sorry, I have to get her. Come here, sweetheart. You're just too loud for the peoples. Come here, honey. I'm sorry. Excuse me, you guys. Come here. Come here. No, come here. Come here. Okay. There we go. There we go. Now you can be happy, happy girl. Okay? All right. Okay. Sorry about that, you guys. In fact, Pix, you can stay up there if you want. You want to stand up here? There you go. Give you a... Let me get her happy. Here's some sesame seeds. A little bit for you. Whew, okay, so this was way back in 1989. I don't know if that's the first year it came about, but first of all, shame on this guy. So he masterminded this. He was head of security for Simon Marketing, and see, he stole his first piece in 1989. It was a $25,000 piece, and he said he stole it to see if he could do it. And he gave it to his brother-in-law, right, knowing it was a $25,000. Yeah, help yourself there, Pix. He's so much happier with me, I guess. As the sweat is just rolling down me, sorry, you guys. But so yeah, so his brother-in-law cashed it in, and nobody was the wiser. I'm like, so anyway then, let's see, so it went from he was in charge of it going from the printing plant to the packaging facilities, and he had to go through the airports with this, and there was also a female auditor that would always accompany him, monitoring the whole process. And he always said, oh, I have to go to the restroom. So while he was in the restroom is when he finagled the pieces. And I'm thinking, if you're monitoring somebody too, both of you are always together, even if it's man and woman, I'm like, that was your first mistake. But you know what? It was back way before the turn of the century, so they probably thought, oh, people don't do that stuff, right? Well, all right. Anyway, he did this up until quite a few Monopoly games. For years, I believe. I don't remember what year they had caught him, but when they did, Simon Marketing, they fired him, right? Yeah, they fired him, and I just better not touch that. Might be her Big Mac. You're just having a really good time, aren't you? Well, but that is why you never heard of anybody winning big. People always take the big prizes. And it was amazing to me. And I get it. He only got 3 years in prison. His trial started in 2001. 3 years, really? How many millions of people, including me, went to McDonald's just to get Monopoly tickets? In fact, when I would take the kids, we would order, like, sometimes you would have to get the big fries to get the double Monopoly, and I was like, I would never normally buy them. I didn't have the money to buy them, but I did for the chance to win. And look, we were all conned out of it. So I think McDonald's owes every American that's ever eaten at McDonald's for that time duration and pay us back. Just like in the health field, when certain medicines are wrongdoing or whatever to people's health, and they say you can get a settlement. definitely, I think they owe everybody a settlement. I spent a lot of money that I would never have gone to, and I would never have gone to McDonald's. My kids would have went to Domino's or somewhere else, but they always drove to McDonald's when that Monopoly game was on. So shame on you, Mr. Police Officer, and McDonald's. You just assume that everybody's okay with it, and give the guy three years in jail. What? Did they ever get the money back? They never said. How could they ever prove it? I'm like, wow. I don't get that. Do you, Pix? Yeah, I don't either. Are you having fun over here? Okay. So anyway, that's what I think they should do. We should all sue them. I wonder if somebody started suing them. Like, I spent this extra amount of money on just for the Monopoly game during that time. I want to be compensated because it was a rigged game. I don't know how they got by with it, but anyway. McDonald's, shame on you. But, oh, I know, it was going for 12 years. That guy, 12 years, I'm sorry, but, let's get a little money coming out here to the American people. Which I think we should all boycott McDonald's. And this should be my last supper with McDonald's. I will never play Monopoly game there again. Never ever. So, because it could happen again. I don't love me McDonald's that much at all. At all. So anyway, of course, they're going to make a movie out of it, and Ben Affleck is going to direct it. So there you go. Sad, very sad. I'm very sad when I heard that, but it is. Now you know why you never heard of anybody winning big on the Monopoly game. That's just so crazy. What people do for money. Oh my gosh, it's just a freaking game. I get it. There was a lot of money involved. Maybe they shouldn't have games like that with so much money. Keep it down to $100 and under. My goodness. You see this woman over here? She's chowing down. You're a mukbang in there, pig. Mukbang, girl. Yeah. Oh, you know what? I did taste my sausage biscuit. We have to have a pie reheat in the morning for breakfast. Wow, look at you liking them. I guess I got a Big Mac for me and for you, Pix. What was I thinking? Right? Should put my hair up. Wow. Whew. I like to say I'm eating and feeding up my body, but I'm not. Sorry, it's just really, I can't stand the sweat going down my neck. Okay, here we go. Off we go. Hamburger time. Oh, and a chocolate shake I got. You know why I got a chocolate shake? What are chocolate shakes? They're very inexpensive. What are they now? Why can I not keep track of that receipt? Anyway, what are they? A couple bucks now? Was it? And it wasn't even filled all the way up. Just saying. They're not like the originals were. And they were bigger. And they actually were more chocolatier too. No chocolate shake for you. You can't have chocolate. No. But so anyway, $2-3 now. I am going to read you what is in the most expensive shake in the world, right? You ready? It's in New York and it costs $100. $100, yes. Here, put that french fry in your breath. You want to sing for the people? Okay, so anyway, it's the most expensive shake, and they do have the Guinness World Records for it. And the glass is adorned with 3,000 Swarovski crystals, which you don't get class, but that's what it comes served in. You want to go home? Are you going to be quiet, girl? Okay. Say bye. Oh. Bye, and Mimi's computer turned black, so hang on. Okay. Guys, it's really never smooth sailing on my video, so thank you for not caring. Okay, so I'm going to read you what the Guinness Book of Records winning most expensive shake. $100, here it is. It contains, it says it's called Serendipity 3. It contains Jersey milk sources from the Channel Island cows, Tahitian vanilla ice cream, Devonshire luxury clotted cream, Madagascar vanilla beans, 23 karat edible gold. Here's a weird one. Donkey caramel sauce featuring donkey's milk and Venezuelan cocoa. Okay, Pix, you gotta come back. You're too loud. Okay, do be quiet. And Luxardo Gourmet maraschino cherries and whipped cream. And this is at the Serendipity 3. They have two other records that they broke. The most expensive sandwich and the most expensive dessert. So, there you have it. I don't think I would buy it for $100. All this stuff just doesn't seem like I would like it. I will stick to my McDonald's shakes. Or you know what's really good ones is Carl's Jr. I know everybody doesn't have that, but Carl's Jr. has it's real ice cream that's hand churned. Hand churned. So there you have that. It's full. But I haven't tried the hamburger. I never get everything on the hamburger. I just get onions. Ooh, they put a lot of onions on. Usually a pickle too, but. Good. I'm going to stack out my burgers now. See how high they are. I just get PIXIE on the top. Ta-da. Oh, if it falls on the floor, then I did a mess. Ta-da! That is a lot of food. Ta-da! Okay. So anyway, if you agree with me, I better take this down because it's gonna fall. On that Monopoly scandal, we can get it started. I'll get it started and I'll let you know how it goes. I wonder if anybody has ever tried. I have to look that up. I have to Google that. But anyway. So, since that guy's out of prison already, why even put him in prison? Because I'm sure he knew everybody he gave money to. I'm sure he got millions and millions. I can't even imagine. But anyway, it's that time. What's the matter there, Pix? I think you're driving everybody crazy. But Mimi can't put you. I can't put her in my bedroom because it's too hot up there, huh? Is it too hot? Look, now everybody's here for you. Say, hey, over here they are. Hey, you. Where are you running to? Oh, Oh, okay. Not such a big bird. Oh. Maybe that's her anxiety working. I don't know. Pix, you're a funny girl. Anyway, if you were here, you guys would have some McDonald's. Anyway, guys, gotta go. Gotta take a cold shower, I think is what I'm gonna do. Anyway, toodles, thank you for saying bye. Until next time, you guys, trust me, I will not have a squawking bird You want to say something? Okay. Sorry, guys. Love you. I think she's just hot. Poor thing. I'll give her a bath. Cold water. She likes the bathroom sinks. Ready for a bath? Okay. Bye.